In this video, you will learn how to create a grading schema in the Blackboard Grade Center. To create a grading schema that can be applied to any column and that converts a range of percentages in that column to letter grades, do the following. Open the Grade Center. Select Manage from the action bar that runs across the top of the Grade Center. Select Grading Schemas from the drop-down menu to display the Grading Schemas page. Select Create Grading Schema to display the Create Grading Schema page. In the Schema Information section, enter a name for the grading schema. Optionally, enter a description to identify any nuance in the schema. In the Schema Mapping section, there are two columns. The first column shows you how Blackboard will convert numeric scores to letter grades. Enter the lower and upper ends of a range of percentages in the grades scored between column. Enter a letter grade or other designation in the will equal column. Select the arrow icon to the right of this row to insert rows below this row in the Schema Mapping table. Continue adding and entering ranges of percentages and corresponding letter grades until you have a complete range of percentages from 0% to 100% or more. You can select Delete Row at the right end of a row to remove any row not needed. The second column of the Schema Mapping section converts letter scores that are manually entered in Grade Center, like A, B, C, D, and F, into percentages. The schema will not allow you to save unless the value is within the range of the lower and upper values. For example, if your manually entered grade is a B and you designate between 75 and 85 for the B, your Will Calculate As column must be between 75 and 85. Then select Submit to save your grading schema and to display the Grading Schemas page again. Click OK to go back to Grade Center. Finally, in order to apply the new grading schema to any column in the Grade Center, do the following. Open the drop-down menu of the selected grade column and select Edit Column Information. That will open the Edit Column page. In the Column Information section, from the drop-down menu that appears for primary display, select the new grade schema that you created. Select None for secondary display. Click Submit. The points possible for the column for which the grading schema is selected as the primary display or as the secondary display is used to calculate the ranges of percentages used to map to the letter grades.